What's something people don't know about setting up a Xiaomi Mi 360 camera? It's super easy. Step 1. Download the My Home app from your app store. Got it? Great. Step 2. Open the app and log in with your My account. Easy breezy. Step 3. Power up your camera. The app might detect it automatically, but if not, tap the plus icon. Step 4. Follow the on-screen prompts and select My Home Security Camera 360. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Step 5. The app will flash a QR code. Hold the camera about 15 centimeters away to scan it. Almost there. Step 6. The camera will try to connect to your Wi-Fi. You might need to confirm the location and name your camera. Optional. Share control with other My accounts if you want. Sharing is caring. Final step. Complete the setup by following the app's final instructions. Voila! You're done. Troubleshooting tip. If the light flashes blue, double-check your Wi-Fi details and move the camera closer to the router.